Good morning, students. Today we will read the chapter A Triumph of Surgery. This chapter is written by James Herriot. So we will read about the author. James Alfred White, known by the pen name James Herriot, was a British veterinary surgeon and writer who used his many years of experience as a veterinary surgeon to write a series of books, each consisting of stories about animals and their owners. He is best known for these semi autobiographical works, beginning with If Only They Could Talk in 1970, which spawned a series of movies and television series. Introduction of the chapter. The story is about Tricky, a dog who is the pet of a rich lady named Mrs. Pamphray. She loves her dog very much and is unable to refuse him anything he wants. Tricky is fond of eating cream cakes, chocolates. So one day, when Mrs. Pamphray is out with Tricky for a walk, the narrator sees them and stops to talk. While talking to Mrs. Pamphray, he realizes that she has been overfeeding Tricky and also had been giving him things that he should not eat, due to which Tricky had started looking like a blotted sausage. Soon Tricky got unwell, and Mrs. Pamphray has to call Mr. Herriot for help. She does not want to send him away, but the only way suggested by Mr. Herriot is to get him hospitalized for 15 days. So we will read in the story that how he gets well. Characters. There are three main characters in the story. Mrs. Pamphray, she is the mistress of Tricky. Tricky, a pet dog of Mrs. Pamphray. Dr. James Herriot, a veterinary surgeon. Theme of the story. The theme of the story is about the blind love which we possess for the one whom we love the most. Mrs. Pamphray had no idea that her blind and extreme love for her dog, Tricky, took him to trouble. Excessive love made Tricky sick and became a reason for his illness. Story of the chapter. The story starts when Mrs. Pamphray, a rich lady, takes her dog out for a walk. A nearby veterinary doctor who knows the lady sees the dog and is shocked as he sees that the dog looks like a blotted sausage with a leg at each end. He advises her to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat, but Mrs. Pamphray is not able to refuse him. Soon he falls sick and the doctor is called. The narrator, Mr. Herriot, then somehow takes Tricky, the dog, to the hospital, even though he knows that Mrs. Pamphray is not ready to leave her dog, and nearly fainted just by hearing these words. Then he takes the dog along and puts a bed for him in his hospital. The dog does not move much nor eats anything for the first 2 days. On the second day, he looks around and whimpers a bit. He wanted to go out on the third day and started playing with the bigger dogs. And when he was taken out, he also licked the bowls of other dogs on the third day. Then his condition started improving very fast. He started fighting for his meals with the other dogs. Then, when this news reached Mrs. Pamphray, she started sending eggs as she thought that Tricky was recovering from an illness and needed energy foods. Mr. Herriot and his assistant started eating those eggs for morning breakfast. Then, for improving Tricky's blood, Mrs. Pamphray started sending in bottles of wine, which was again consumed by Mr. Herriot. He used to take 2 glasses before lunch and some more glasses while having his lunch. Then, when she started sending in bottles of brandy for Tricky, that was the time when Mr. Herriot thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in his hospital. Mr. Herriot used to be really happy by having 2 extra eggs every morning, then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon, and closing the day by having brandy at night. But then he took a wise decision and called Mrs. Pamphray as she was really worried, and on this side Tricky was ready to be taken back home. Tricky was really happy to see his mistress and jumped into the car. Mrs. Pamphray said that she won't be able to ever thank him for what he had done, and also that his surgery had been successful, as Tricky was now cured. Word meanings. So first word is mistress, a woman in a position of authority or control. Second word is blotted. It means excessive in size or amount. Next word is hastened. It means be quick to do something. Next word is listless. It means lacking energy or enthusiasm. Next word is malnutrition. It means lack of proper nutrition. Next word is relent. It means become less severe or intense. Next word is distraught. It means very worried and upset. Next word is bouts. It means a short period of intense activity of a specified kind. Next word is rug, a floor covering. Next word is panting. It means breathing with short, quick breaths. Next word is fortnight. It means a period of 2 weeks. Next word is swooned, a partial or total loss of consciousness. Next word is lithe. It means thin, supple, and graceful. Next word is startled. It means feeling or showing sudden shock or alarm. Next word is swarmed. It means move somewhere in large numbers. Next word is shone, a quality of brightness produced. Next word is chauffeur. It means a person employed to drive a private or hired car. Last word is collapsed. It means grasp tightly with one hand. So this is the end of the today's lecture. So see this video and you will be given notes. So go through them, and if you have any problem you can comment. So we will meet soon with the next video. Stay at home, stay healthy.